Hello, Dr. Cool Auto Fix here. One of the most sorted out answer is what's the reasons why your AC system blows warm air instead of cold? In this video, lies a comprehensive guide discussing 15 reasons why your car's air conditioning, AC, may not be blowing cold air and how you can potentially fix it yourself. Be you a DIY or car enthusiast, the comprehensive information I will be providing you in this content will assist you make better decisions that will help you troubleshoot this problem by yourself. There are lots of factors that can make your car AC not to blow cold. However, here are top 15 reasons why your car's AC isn't blowing cold air and how to fix it. 1. Low refrigerant levels. Why it happens: refrigerant is the material used by your AC system components to condition the air flowing into your car interior cabin. If there's a leak or it's simply running low, the AC won't blow cold air. How to fix? Check refrigerant levels with a pressure gauge available at auto parts stores. If low, you can recharge it using an AC recharge kit. Find leaks. If refrigerant is low after a recharge, the system may have a leak and you might need to take it to a professional to seal the leak and refill if after multiple attempts and you couldn't address the problem by yourself. 2. Faulty compressor. Why it happens: the compressor compresses and circulates refrigerant through the system. If it's broken, the AC won't function properly. How to fix? Check the clutch. If you hear a clicking sound when the AC is turned on, the clutch might be faulty. You can test this by seeing if the compressor turns on when the AC is engaged. DIY compressor replacement. If you're experienced with car repairs, you can replace the compressor. Otherwise, consider professional help due to its complexity. 3. Blown fuse. Why it happens: the AC system is powered by fuses, and if one blows, the entire system might shut down. How to fix? Locate the fuse box. Check the owner's manual for the location of the AC fuse. Replace the fuse. If the fuse is blown, swap it with a new one of the same rating. Make sure the fuse is appropriate to avoid electrical issues. 4. Clogged air cabin filter. Why it happens: a clogged air cabin filter can restrict airflow to your car's AC system, making it blow weak, warm air. How to fix? Check the filter. Most cabin filters are located behind the glove box or under the dashboard. Replace the filter. If it's dirty or clogged, replace it with a new one, usually inexpensive and easy to replace yourself. 5. Malfunctioning blower motor. Why it happens: the blower motor pushes air through the AC system, and if it fails, you may get no airflow or only weak airflow. How to fix? Check the blower motor. Test the blower motor by turning on the fan and observing if it operates at all speeds. Clean or replace the motor. If it's not working, clean it or replace it if necessary. Sometimes debris can clog it, so try cleaning first. 6. Faulty AC pressure switch. Why it happens: the pressure switch monitors the refrigerant pressure. If it malfunctions, it could prevent the compressor from turning on, thus preventing cold air. How to fix? Test the pressure switch. Use a multimeter to test the switch for continuity. Replace the switch. If it's defective, replace it with a new one. 7. Condenser problems. Why it happens: the condenser cools the refrigerant before it enters the evaporator. If it's clogged or damaged, the refrigerant can't cool down effectively. How to fix? Inspect the condenser. Look for any visible damage or debris blocking airflow. Clean the condenser. If it's clogged with dirt or debris, carefully clean it with water or compressed air. Replace the condenser. If it's cracked or severely damaged, a replacement may be necessary. 8. Airflow blockages. Why it happens: sometimes debris, leaves, or other blockages can prevent proper airflow into the system. How to fix? Inspect the AC intake. Check under the car and around the vents for debris or blockages. Clean the air ducts. If possible, use a vacuum or compressed air to clear any blockages. 9. Broken AC clutch. Why it happens: the AC clutch engages and disengages the compressor. If it's broken, the compressor won't work and cold air won't be produced. How to fix? Inspect the clutch. If the clutch doesn't engage when the AC is turned on, it might be broken. Replace the clutch. Replacing the AC clutch requires specialized tools, but it's possible if you have experience. Otherwise, professional help is advised. 10. Evaporator coil issues. Why it happens: the evaporator coil cools the air as it passes through the AC system. If it's frozen, clogged, or leaking, it can cause the AC to blow warm air. How to fix? Check for ice buildup. If the evaporator is frozen, turn off the AC and let it thaw. Inspect for leaks. If there's a refrigerant leak, it might be coming from the evaporator. If this is the case, a professional repair might be necessary. 11. Worn out AC belts. Why it happens? The compressor and blower motor are driven by belts, and over time these belts can wear out or snap, causing the AC to fail. How to fix? Inspect the belts. Check the belts for cracks, tears, or significant wear. Replace the belts. If the belts are worn out or damaged, replace them. Be sure to replace them with the correct type for your vehicle. 12. Leaking refrigerant. Why it happens? Over time, small leaks can develop in your AC system, causing refrigerant to escape. This can lead to insufficient cooling. How to fix? Use a refrigerant leak sealant. Some kits can help seal minor leaks in the system. Visit a professional for larger leaks or to find the exact location. Take your vehicle to an AC technician. 13. Faulty thermostat. Why it happens? The thermostat regulates the temperature of the air inside your car. If it's faulty, it could cause the AC to blow hot air. How to fix? Check the thermostat setting. Ensure it's set to a cold setting. Replace the thermostat. If it's defective, replace it with a new one. 14. Incorrectly set climate controls. Why it happens? Sometimes it's as simple as incorrect settings on the climate control system, where the AC is turned off or set to a warm setting. How to fix? Check the settings. Make sure the AC is turned on, the fan is set to a high setting, and the temperature is set to cold. Adjust the modes. Ensure the airflow is directed towards the dashboard vents and not the floor or defrost. 15. Electrical problems. Why it happens? A variety of electrical issues, such as a faulty relay or wiring problem, can prevent the AC from functioning. How to fix? Inspect the wiring. Look for any visible damage or corrosion on the wiring and connections. Check the relay. The AC relay controls power to the compressor. Use a multimeter to test it and replace if necessary. Conclusion. While it's great to troubleshoot these issues yourself, remember that some problems, especially those involving the compressor, condenser, or refrigerant, may require professional help. By following these steps, you can potentially save time and money on car repairs while gaining valuable knowledge about your car's air conditioning system. Regular maintenance, such as checking the refrigerant level, cleaning the cabin filter, and inspecting belts, can also help prevent future AC issues.